Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my reaction channel. So this one I'm going to be reacting to my boy Kevin Gaines, Without You. Shout out to my boy BC from home. BC, you know who you are, man. You're doing a great job with these production beats, man. You know, if for you guys don't know, BC is one of my closest friends from Madison, Wisconsin, and you know Kevin's from Wisconsin, so they work together. Proud of you, BC. I'm excited to see what you guys made with this video. Shout out to you, Kevin. Let's go.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, my boy.
Yo, we're gonna do something different. Leave without you. Don't wanna go without you.
I hear Bill with the samples.
Yeah. Hey baby girl, Gucci samu yaka jimu. Mutaka tula yojumu okete ya iku. Kunyanda ka isha sa pero ka kujong shicha. Shimo le tu yo wakune shamboli kona. Shimo inu kunyamo ka chapa che. Don't you worry girl, you're already in first place. Hey London up, mataka te. Umamuta satani hai lupe. Yeah. Tu ninggu lula na umamu okay. Mutaka tu yojumu iku. Kani bote ya kapiku. Kalau botol link tu kalau botol celundu hai te unyanda na. Shikali ka ene papa. Hey lupe. Utuji na utuji sato. Illusion le
The effects are dope.
I change it and they do it for you. Utake lu all I need for. Illusion le bani and high. And they are judging my boy. Yani sata ungala yani sato.
I like it. BC getting cold with them samples, bro.
Saka tu chi maka, pula shen ya chi tu. Taka je ko mu ileng, jong le ku tu chi samu. Utaka tu chole cho tu lan da ku tha. Ku hai ta chi ku tu mo itu ne ku luna. Bikuna ya itu ne o ya faithful. Ya ka chi pao ye mo inu ka yin yo pao. Ye tu na lu ka ileng. Ye chi mo le tu ya che. Ye tu na lu ka ileng. Ye chi mo le tu ya che. Ye chỉ muốn lên tự ôi yo là chạy co vì có ye bao của nhân là nó em cũng chắc cái lu lo nên chạy ư nhau ok vì ư dân lu phong co nên hàng đầu của mình nhau một chuyện có mình nhận đáp bỏ mà chơi có chọn mà chơi có to tụi có chạy gần trên một chùa hay lu khi so vì lời chỉ mua ra chỉ của fuck it bitch.
I love it, man. I love it. And I can't really see. I can't really see who directed it, but to whoever shot this, man, amazing job. It looks dope. Happy birthday, Kevin. Shout out BC. I don't really got much to say. I like everything Kevin does, so this one's dope. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Subscribe to my other channel. Subscribe to this channel. Shout out to y'all. Much love. Peace.